People keep saying that Jesus is Lord. He'll take me in the rapture. He'll come with a sword. Preachers on TV tell me I'm living wrong, but I've tasted the lips of sweet Babylon. Sweet Babylon, oh heavenly harlot, let down your hair and take me to bed. Hold out your cup and I'll pour the wine. Drink to the night of sweet Babylon. I know they call you the queen of damnation, our sacred love, abomination, but dying in your arms is sweeter than salvation. Heaven is the night of sweet Babylon. Sweet Babylon, oh heavenly harlot, lover of all, refuser of none. Hold out your cup and I'll pour the wine. Drink to the night of sweet Babylon. I know they call you the queen of damnation, our sacred love, abomination, but dying in your arms is sweeter than salvation. Heaven is the night of sweet Babylon.